Look, I'm gonna put your life in easy mode right now. Yes, life can be tough, but with certain life hacks, you can perform at your best without it feeling overwhelming. I'm gonna give you some of my best ones that I've used that I'm telling you, you should deploy as well. I'm gonna give you an example. Number one, every time you say, I don't need to write this down, write it down. You'll say, oh, I'll remember later. That's the biggest lie in the world. I'm telling you right now, I have journals on journals on journals. And even though I write almost every great idea down, even then I might remember some certain feature or some certain product that I wanted to deploy that I never got a chance to do so because your brain gets cluttered every day. So every time you want to do something, a to-do list, or create something, or build something, or have a great idea, write that thing down. I promise you, best decision you'll ever make. Number two, if somebody invites you out, ask yourself this: will I go tomorrow? Right? You get invited to a party, to an event, to a conference, to whatever. You'll probably say, oh yeah, sure. It's like 2-3 months down the road. And then when it comes, you look like a dumbass because you end up canceling last minute and now you don't get invited anywhere. So to avoid all of that awkwardness, next time somebody invites you, ask yourself the immediate question: would I go if it would be tomorrow? The answer is probably no, so tell them no, even if it's 5 months down the road. Number three, use the fresh start effect. This is if you want unlimited power, unlimited energy, unlimited focus, unlimited productivity. Use this effect. See, there is a psychological effect that every time you start something new, something fresh, you almost feel re-energized. Think about a new day, right? What happens when you waste the whole day on TikTok, 8 hours? You have a project due. The first thing you think of, I'll just do it tomorrow. Fresh start, clean slate, I'll do it tomorrow. It's a new energy effect. You can do that with tasks. Say you're doing something, you're mentally blocked, you see yourself procrastinating, you're spending time on TikTok, immediately stop, switch to a new task. It's that new fresh start effect. You're gonna feel that motivation and focus again on something fresh and new, and then just keep hopping back and forth tasks that you know need to be completed. That way you still keep that high level of dopamine and motivation throughout the day. Number four, pre-plan all your meals. People think that getting shredded, looking healthy is hard, especially now for the new year. Everybody started, oh, I'm going to do this diet, I'm going to do that diet. Look, most of you will fail your diets. I'm being 100% honest with you. And it's not even me being harsh. I think it's like 90% of New Year's resolutions get dropped off by like February. And that's because it's difficult. It's difficult to completely change your life. But not if you pre-plan your meals. If you want to stay as disciplined as possible, you got to make your life as easy as possible. This is why having pre-planned meals is easy. That way you don't force yourself to end up spending at McDonald's or at Chipotle or eating junk food. You already know what you're getting, when you're getting, etc. for the week. And look, even if you're lazy to pre-plan your meals, which is not that difficult, you can even get them pre-planned by a chef. I'll give you an example. Our sponsor for today, Factor 75, gives you gourmet-style meals that's pre-planned by all their chefs with the best ingredients you'll ever find. That it's not even frozen. This is fresh meals, and they get delivered to your door right when you need them. Now, why I love Factor 75, on top of the food being fresh and prepared by chefs, is that it's also dietitian approved. So when you go onto Factor 75 and you create your profile, you get to choose what type of diet you want to build, so you know you're getting healthy, nutritious meals. And here's the best part: it's effective. 2 minutes, your meals are ready, and you can get it, and you can get different styles. If you're a keto guy, if you want something that's calorie smart, maybe if you're just a vegan or a vegetarian, you just like veggies, or if you want more protein, they have their Protein Plus plans. There's different plans for different people so they can cater to exactly what you need. And the best part is you get 34 plus different meal options weekly to choose from, so it doesn't even get repetitive. See, when I used to meal prep myself, it would get repetitive, right? Rice, broccoli, chicken. Like, I was lazy with it, literally. I would both cook this on Sunday and eat it through the week. By Friday, that chicken was hard as rock. Now you're getting fresh meals, 36 different options designed by chefs or cooked by chefs. And the best part is that the cost per meal is actually cheaper than takeout. So look, make your life easier. Stick to this New Year's resolution. You're going to avoid grocery trips. You're going to save money. You're going to make your life easier by not have to cook or not have to think. And you're going to get tasteful meals. This is the type of resolution that you will actually keep all year. And you're going to see the difference that it's going to make to your body. Stick with this one. Click the link down below or go to factor75.com and use code TMF60 to get a special discount on your first order. Again, that's factor75.com, or you can click that link down below. Number 5, ignore what they're thinking of you, because they're not actually thinking of you. Most of the time, it's a reflection of themselves. Too many times, you let people's criticism get to you. The only person that should criticize yourself is yourself. You should always self-analyze. But you have to understand that other people that criticize you, it's not that they're thinking of you, they're looking out for you. No, most of the time, they're thinking of themselves, right? They're seeing their own inefficiencies. They're seeing their own inadequacies, and they're slapping them onto you because they don't like to see you succeed. Number 6, if you're traveling or on a new date with a girl, listen to a new album. This one's great. So anytime you're about to experience something fresh, something new, experience it with new music. Now, forever, every time that album plays, it will be tied in with that memory, which is a good thing. And on her, she won't be able to forget you. Every time she plays that album, she's thinking, yo, that first date. Or that first time you took her to Turks and Caicos. Number 7, 99% of the time, the right time is right now. I'm telling you this when it comes to business, when it comes to women, when it comes to your fitness, when it comes to anything in life, anything, whatever you want in life, right now is the time to start. There's this great proverb that goes something along the lines of the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Anytime you let time pass by, you let life catch up to you, you're going to forget about that great idea, and then it's been 3-4 years, COVID happened, and you never did anything. Finally, number 8, always keep a stash of healthy snacks. My office drawer is full of healthy snacks. Why? Because I like to eat. I'm going to be honest with you. It's not even that I like to eat. I get hungry a lot. I'm an eater. If not, I lose weight. So instead of eating crap all the time, like your chips, your donuts, etc., I like to keep fruits. I like to keep healthy chips. I like to keep granola bars, other stuff like that, so I can constantly snack on good stuff to avoid overeating on the bad stuff.